Hi, this is Sharmishta De. I am a Modicare consultant. Today I am here to tell you something about Modicare business. Like in this situation of COVID, like many people has lost their jobs, they are looking for new jobs or they are sitting idle, they are having some financial crisis, or any one of you want to start a new business of your own but don't have much money to start it, capital investment. So I will tell you to go for Modicare, as it is the fastest growing MLM business in India. As well as I will tell you, because it gives the highest payout, and we have more than 500 plus products, okay, in our company. And every day and like more new products are getting launched. So we have variety of products with which you can work very well, okay, because all the products that are there in Modicare are the things which are repeatedly used every month in every household, okay. So all the household things, grocery things, kids care, wellness, skin care, and laundry pro care, personal care, everything is there. And some like electronics protection products are also there. Like there is Enviro Globe, Enviro Chip, as well as Mighty Guard, which is a anti-malware protection. All kind of products are available here. So working with this company will be very easy, and you can achieve growth very easily. And as per, like if you have only 5,000 rupees in your pocket, you can start a business with Modicare very easily. Let me tell you how. And these 5,000 for what? Just to make our own stock and to make use of those products by yourself. Because in every MLM, first of all, you have to self use, then you have to understand the quality of the products, the what is good in these products. You will feel yourself, then you will share it. And when the people will share it with the people, they will also love the product. And after that, you will sponsor means we will make people join it, okay. So, and there it is no boss business. There is no boss who will give you any target or will follow you up every day. You can set your own business by your own, and you have time freedom, you have age freedom. No age limit is there, no time limit is there, okay. You can do this business and set this business as your own. And you can work from home, you can work part time, and you can work with Zoom app. You can work through digitally. You can work with this uh, company with Modicare. It is the fastest growing MLM in India, and it gives highest payout, which is 62%. You can achieve all your dreams getting attached to us, because you can achieve a dream car, a dream house, and foreign trips, okay. And you can even achieve a good income like 2 lakhs rupees per month after 3 years. Like we invest all our life in doing like after doing 9 hours 8 hours duty every day, okay. And after 10 years or 8 years also, our income remains almost same, or a hike of 2,000 or 3,000 is given. But here, if you work properly, if you give all your time, like whatever time you are giving it, if you concentrate properly in this business, after 3 years you can just enjoy the business. Like you can enjoy, you don't have to work so much, but you can enjoy income like uh, 2 lakhs income per month, okay. So you can achieve all your dreams, you can fulfill all your dreams after joining this business. So I will suggest you, just come and join Modicare. And if you need any help, I will help you. I will provide you, like I am making this YouTube video, you can contact me by writing down in my comment box of my YouTube video, and I will guide you how to join this business. First I will let you know what is this business all about, then you will join it, like if you wish, okay. But if you want to make a great career in a very short while, okay, and I will tell you Modicare is the best choice. And let me tell you, there are other MLMs also, but they will not give you such a highest payout like 62%. And the work profile, the working module is also very easy and nice, because we have cumulative business policy. Like every month you are not starting with zero. The last month's previous month's business volume will get like accumulated with the starting next month. Okay, so in this way, whatever title you will achieve, whatever position you will achieve, you will never lose that title or position. It will remain the same, and you will only go towards growth. Okay, there is no demotion in this Modi Care. Okay, and all the products are of international quality, and 100% payback guarantee is given on the uh, written on the cover of all our products with Samir Modi's signature, who is the founder of Modi Care and director. So that means all our products are very trustable, as well as like good in quality, so everyone will love it, and you will get repeated order, and the product is also pocket friendly. In other MLMs, maybe the products will be good, but the price is not so pocket friendly, and you will not get so much variety, like more than 500, and I may tell it's more than, it will cross 600 in few days. Okay, so uh, I have made this video for helping you out only, because in this COVID situation, like, I want everyone not to sit idle at home and waste your time, but invest some time in doing business, like where you will achieve growth, as well as you can involve other people also with you. It's a teamwork, you will grow, and let other people also grow, and the social work as well. It's a noble business, so just go for it. And if you, as I have told you, want to know the detail, just write down in my comment box. So I wish you best of luck. Have a nice day. Take care. Stay safe. I am ending this video here. Thank you.